Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to find the integration of the function cotx. Let us start. Considering integral cotx as I, we have I is equal to integration of cotx dx. In this integration also, we are going to use one of the two important results that we have already seen in the previous videos. Using those results, we have also find the integral of tan x. Similarly, we are going to find integration of cot x. That integral property was integral f dash x upon f of x, which is log f of x. Here also you can see we need a numerator and denominator, but we don't have a denominator in this case. Therefore, we can split cot x as cos x upon sin x dx. As you can see, the function which is present in the denominator, that is sin x, its derivative is present in the numerator. Consider d by dx of sin x, which is equal to cos x. Therefore, the given integral is now in the form of f dash x upon f of x, which can be written as log of f of x, that is denominator sin x plus c, and the value of I was integral cot x. Therefore, integral cot x dx becomes log of sin x plus c. I hope friends you have understood how to find the integral of cot x. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.